Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use virtualjobshadow.com. So the first thing you're going to do is go to virtualjobshadow.com. As you can see, I've typed it in a bunch of times. So once you get onto the site, you're going to click the blue login button in the upper right hand corner. And then you're going to log in using the credentials that you have. So once you log in, it's going to take you to the main page, your front home page. As you can see, on the left, we have all of our menu options, but they're also on the top as well. So we're going to go to the Careers tab first and go to Careers Central. One of the biggest parts of Virtual Job Shadow is in the title itself. It's Virtual Job Shadow, so online job shadowing. And what that means is they're going to give you a bunch of different videos, articles, and a bunch of just different resources about all sorts of different professions that there are. So this is just the feature tab. There's education manager, marine mammologist, SWAT, pediatrician, plumber, basketball trainer, choreographer, graphic designer, mechanical engineer, all sorts of different things. But they can be broken up into smaller sections. So if we click cluster, it's going to show us some overview videos. And what that means is general videos of a certain kind of profession that there are different jobs that fall underneath it. So you have like architecture and construction, arts, AV, technology and communications, business, energy, health science, government, public administration, human services, public safety, marketing, STEM, all that kind of thing. Then we have under the education tab, which is just going to show you, so like for high school diploma, it's going to show you a bunch of jobs you can get with just a high school diploma. Same for apprenticeship, license, certification, basically the jobs that you can get with these different kinds of levels of education. Under the industry tab, it's going to break it down by industry, so obviously like accounting, advertising, agriculture, biotech, business, education, engineering, human services, once again. And there's just a bunch of different videos. And as you can see next to these videos, there's the information eye, which just means it's going to show you a little bit more info. The heart is going to add it to your careers, which you can see under the My Careers tab. And then the plus is just adding it to your playlist. So next, we're going to go to interest, and this is just breaking them down by interest, so realistic, investigative, artistic, social, enterprising, and conventional. So here's the work importance locator. It's going to show you basically where these kind of people are needed, where these jobs are needed. Newest, this is just going to show you the newest updates to the site, the newest jobs they have on here. The My Careers is just where it's going to put all of your careers that you heart. So if you like them or heart them, this is where they'll be. Next, we're going to take a look at the colleges tab. We're going to click search colleges. So you can either just straight up type the name of the college in or the location, or if you're not quite sure, you have no idea where you want to go to college, they have an option for you to help filter your results. So you can filter it by state, by the different majors, the type of school, if it's a 2-year college, 4-year college, less than 2 years, the type of degree, based on your test scores, which is really nice, and then average tuition costs. And so if you find a college you like, and you click on it and you like it, you can heart it. It's going to give you all this different information for the college, the scores, averages, the majors. You can get to the online application this way, and if you heart it, under colleges and My Colleges will be there, the colleges that you've hearted. So now we're going to go to the jobs tab. Under job search, you can search if you want work-based, board jobs, internship, that kind of thing. And you can search in an internship for, let's do communications in Tallahassee, Florida. So here is a video editor intern, and it's going to tell you all about that. Next, under the tools tab, we have assessments. So these are just the different like surveys that you can take that'll help kind of line up what your interests are, what kind of career, if you're someone who doesn't know what you want to do. Then you can do resume builder and cover letter builder. These are going to be extremely important just for applying for jobs, scholarships, all kinds of things. So this is really awesome tool that they have. Post-secondary plan is going to be you just building your post-secondary plan, which is very important. And then just some goal setting. It's going to allow you to do some short-term and long-term goal setting. And then lastly, to check your notifications, you'll just click this little bell right here. And then to get to your profile, this is where it all is. And yeah,